eat. In St. John's, Newfoundland, there are 28 dead bodies left in refrigerators outside of a hospital because families could not afford a funeral or cremation. Can you imagine that? Leaving your aunt, your father, your sister, your brother in a freezer next to a dumpster at a hospital because you cannot afford to give them a dignified goodbye. These are the kinds of stories that we see after 8 years of Trudeau. Homeless encampments are now common in almost every community in the country. We all remember the downtown east side of Vancouver. Well, Justin Trudeau and the NDP have taken that model nationwide.